Make a bubble chart in Excel. Need to create a bubble chart in Excel. To visualize 3 sets of data in a single chart. Most people simply select the data and insert a bubble chart. However, Excel doesn't create the chart correctly. In this video, I'll show you 2 methods to create a bubble chart. Let's start with Excel's built-in feature. Unlike most chart types, a bubble chart doesn't automatically recognize your selected data, so it's best to start with an empty bubble chart. Go to Insert, Scatter or Bubble Chart. Then choose a bubble chart type you need. Excel inserts an empty bubble chart. Right-click the chart. Then choose Select Data. In the Select Data Source dialog box, click Add. Now fill in the required fields. For series name, select the cell containing the name of the data series. For series X values, select the values for the horizontal axis. For series Y values, select the values for the vertical axis. For series bubble size, select the values that control the size of each bubble. Click OK twice to save the series data. A simple bubble chart is created. Although Excel provides this built-in bubble chart, setting it up requires several manual steps. If you are looking for a faster and easier way, Kutools for Excel makes the process much simpler. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the data range for the bubble chart. Then go to Kutools, Charts, Data Distribution, Bubble Chart. A Create Bubble Chart dialog box opens. Kutools automatically fills the selected data into the corresponding fields, so there's no need to assign each field manually. You only need to choose either Bubble or 3D Bubble. Optionally, enter a chart title. Select the data label type and label position, or simply keep the default settings. Click OK. That's it. Kutools instantly creates a professional-looking bubble chart. Only needs several clicks. Quick, easy, and efficient. That's how you can create a bubble chart in Excel. Thanks for watching.